DIY, you ask? DIY not. Hey guys, today we're making some DIY planters and we're gonna customize them using some fabric paint. Let's get going. Before we get started, if you aren't already subscribing, then please do so. There's a link in the description box below. We would love to see you every week. Here are the materials you need. We've also listed them in the description box below with some links for where you can get them. The first step to making this project is starting at the base. Grab your rope and your hot glue and you're gonna start making your spiral. You're gonna wanna use your cotton rope and just really tightly wind it into a spiral using your hot glue so that you have a beautiful coaster-like shape. Also, if you wanted to stop and just make coasters, you could. I'm using my plastic planter to create the mold for my shape. Checking in every once in a while and using this as a guide to make sure that the base is wide enough before I start making the sides. Now that I'm happy with my base, I'm gonna work my way up to create the walls of my planter. We're just gonna keep working our way up the sides and checking in with our mold every once in a while. As you're starting to work vertically, just be careful and make sure that you're rolling the rope into the glue so that it's on the inside rather than the outside. Once you're happy with the length of your walls, simply just cut the rope. As you can see, my cotton rope is kind of put together by 3 smaller ropes. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unravel it a little bit and cut these to different lengths so that I can fade the end instead of having a hard stop. Once you get to the end of that rope, all you need to do is add a little dollop of glue and wrap it under and glue it to the inside of your planter so that it won't be seen. Do this for each ends of the rope until you reach the end of your planter. If you like the look of just the rope, feel free to stop here, but I'm gonna customize mine with a little bit of fabric paint. Customize this however you like. Make a cactus, make a shape, make a picture. It's whatever you want, go wild. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next week with our next DIY project. I'm all alone, there's no one here except Danny who's filming me, but you gotta have friends. Subscribe!